Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will know all about just those committed. So in every or in each Git repository we will find here the number of commit that we did, and in our example we did 6 commit. So if we click in this 6 commit, it will show us the detail and the person who did it with the time and everything about those commits, even with the title or with the message that he committed with. So in this case, for example, let's create new file. Let's see what he did. We click on the title and we see what he did. For example, here everything it's green, that's been added, and if we found something in red, that's mean it's deleted. In this case we found that he add this demo test, and if we want, for example, we didn't understand why he add that, or we want to leave him some question or comment, we will just click on here, leave comment. For example, why did you add this file, and click on we commit our comment, and it will be like for example this question, and it's logged conversation. That means just me and the developer or the other member who committed this, who can see it and answer me. So now if I go back to my committed, let's click again on commit 6 or 6 commit, and we found here this little icon, that's mean message, that mean that this committed it's ununderstandable, or something goes wrong with it, or we need to answer or to explain something. That's why the other team member or the other developer ask us to explain something. That will be all for this video, and see you soon.